wireless earbuds have taken the run with wireless audio, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Klipsch T3 truly wireless earbuds, and I'm also going to compare them to the Apple AirPods Pro. And so let's get into it. Alright, sup, No Best here, and as I said, today we're going to be taking a look at the Klipsch T3 truly wireless earbuds. And so these have a lot of cool features. You can pick these up on Amazon, and I'll throw the link down in the description below where you guys can go and check it out if you guys are interested. Alright, so let's go through the features quickly. It has 2 mics, so you get that clear voice chat. It has 6 hours of battery life plus another 20 hours with the charging case that does come with it. And as well, you got integrated ear wings for a secure fit, and we'll see what those look like later on. Now, these do not have noise cancellation or any other modes like that, but it does have a good sound isolation, so we'll see how that fares out in a bit. Alright, and so in the box, you have a nice presentation. You got here, it says true comfort, true performance, and true liberty, true you. And so when we open it up, we got our paperwork up on top. So it's just telling you everything that's here. And then if we open it up, we got our case and our 2 earbuds here as well. And so if we take these out, and then you also have another pouch up here, which is your cable. So it is USB type A to micro USB still, which is a bit of a bummer because micro USB is very outdated now. And then you got extra ear tips as well right here, which is really cool. And so these are what your earbuds look like. You got the silicone ear tips with the ear wings like that. You got 2 of them, a right and a left. So that's always cool. All right, and so this is your case right here. This is the Klipsch case. And yeah, so if we open it up, there's a button right here that you push to open it. And then inside is where your right goes here and your left goes here. And then as you can see, the blue indicator light will tell you that they're charging, and the red on the 2 earbuds as well. So that is your case, and this is what they'll stay in. And so that is all that's in the box. That is your unboxing. And then, yeah, so let's go ahead and test these Klipsch truly wireless earbuds out. All right, and so the pairing process to the Klipsch T3 is very simple. And so what we're going to do here is I'm going to connect them to my iPhone, and then we are going to listen to the audio and see how the audio sounds. And so all you got to do is just open up the case here, and then you can take them out, and they should automatically start to go into a pairing mode. And then I just heard a beep inside of my ear, and there we go. It is already connected right there, the Klipsch T3 truly wireless there. So now it is connected. And right off the bat, it is very, very isolated, the sound. Like, I can hear, basically, I almost can't even hear my own voice, and so that is very good. And so I'm going to do an audio test right now. We're going to listen to, let's see. Let's put on my favorite singer. Let's go to Michael Jackson. And let's play Hold My Hand. And I'll let you guys know how this sounds. Alright, and so I'm listening to this music right now, and right off the bat I can tell that the bass isn't really there. There isn't a lot of bass here, and bass I really like, and so I feel like they should have added more bass as well. The mids are decent, but the highs are decent as well, but they could be better. But overall, it does sound pretty good for the price of these, and again, it'll be a link down below in the description if you guys do want to check it out. And so yeah, they're pretty good, I would say, for sound quality wise, and for obviously for pairing, they are very, very fast and very good at pairing. So if I take them out and then I put them back into the case, we can see how fast they pair right from the case. So if I put them in here and I'll shut the case, I will then turn off my Bluetooth and then disconnect, turn it back on. I'll go to my settings, go to my Bluetooth. I'll open up the case, And there we go. Already connected as soon as I open up the case. That is how fast this is at connecting. And so that is very cool. So now I'm going to compare them to the AirPods Pro and we'll see how they go up against them. All right, and so I feel that the Apple AirPods Pro are not really comparable to these Klipsch because they obviously have so many more features and they have the high price tag, they are high quality, they are active noise cancellation, they are spatial audio, they are surround sound, all that. So I feel that it's not very comparable. So instead, I'm going to compare the Klipsch to the AirPods second generation rather than the AirPods Pro, as they are sort of similar in that sense. So let me go grab them and I'll be right back. Alright, and so right here we have the Apple AirPods second generation, and so this is what we are going to compare them to because I feel that this is more of a comparison rather than the AirPods Pro because again they have so many more features. So as you can see here, the AirPods second generation, these are what they look like, and these are the Klipsch T3 truly wireless earbuds. And so, as you can see right off the bat, they have a very, very different design, as the AirPods they actually are literally the AirPods that used to come in the iPhone boxes without a cord, and they're just wireless. And so these are the differences. These are what they look like. And so, yeah, they have a very different design, but I feel like the features are the exact same, as the AirPods second generation do not have active noise cancellation or a transparency mode or spatial audio for that matter, like the AirPods Pro do. And same with the Klipsch Truly Wireless T3. And so these both have a good amount of noise isolation, but they don't have noise cancellation. So I feel like that could be a determining factor for when deciding whether to buy the Klipsch Wireless T3 or not. And so they don't have that noise cancellation or that transparency mode, but they do have a good sound isolation. Next, I want to compare the case because this case is sort of not very hard. It is this plastic thing that feels kind of soft and not very durable. So I feel that it is not very hard compared to something like the AirPods second generation because they are a harder case, although I do have this in an in-case case that you can buy from the Apple Store. Even not in this case, they still feel much more durable rather than the Klipsch Truly Wireless T3. And so that could be a determining factor as well. And again, just the overall feel of these, because personally, I love the silicone ear tips of the AirPods Pro, but these in my ear don't feel very comfortable. I feel because of the plastic right here, it just doesn't feel as comfortable as something like the AirPods Pro. And for that reason, I would rather go for something else with a silicone ear tip, but that doesn't have this plastic body here. But again, these are actually a very good sounding device for the price. And so I do highly recommend these. The presentation was nice, the unboxing. It comes with a cord, it comes with extra silicone ear tips. It comes with the case with your two earbuds. And a major upgrade is that it has a charging case that comes with it. So you always have this wherever you go. And honestly, these are an amazing alternative option for something that is a higher priced option like the AirPods second generation, or also like even higher priced AirPods Pro. And so this would be an amazing alternative option because of the good sound quality and as well because of the cool features it has and that amazing battery life. And so these I would honestly highly recommend if you are looking for those earbuds. But again, they do not have all of the features like most other earbuds have. And so, but for the price, they are a bang for the buck. And last but not least, these will be linked again down below in the description where you guys can head and check them out if you guys are interested. Alright, and so that is my review of the Klipsch T3 truly wireless earbuds. And so let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of these earbuds. And as well, let me know down in the comments below how these Klipsch Truly Wireless T3 compared to other headphones such as the AirPods Pro or other headphones like the AirPods 2nd generation. So let me know down in the comments below. And as well, let me know what is your go-to truly wireless earbuds, whether it's an Apple, Samsung, Klipsch T3 truly wireless. Let me know down in the comments below. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please do go out and have a great day, and we shall see you in the next one.